Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor. As a sales office, I am not the listing agent. I'm just a realtor that does a lot of new home tours and can absolutely help you find a home here. There's a linen closet at the top of the stairs, and then you have your first bedroom, second bedroom, and full-size bathroom space. There's about 35 homes left in this community at this time. There are some quick move-ins available in the different floor plans, but if you're interested in this home, it is available for lease back at 568 165. You have both 3 and 4 bedroom townhomes to choose from, going all the way up to 1846 square feet. You have your sports room nicely decorated by the designers. I love that you have the extra living space upstairs in the loft. You can have a desk here for your kids or for work. Natural light coming into the home through all of the windows. The laundry room. And then last but not least is your primary bedroom suite. To my right here, you have a walk-in closet. This builder loves to show how insulated the home is. It's very energy efficient, so you can rest assured. Recessed lighting throughout. And then we come into your primary bathroom space where you have your tub, your walk-in shower. There's a privacy door for your toilet. And then of course your double vanity. Now before I let you go, I do want to show you there's a pavilion, you have a dog park, and the best part is you get private access to the Cross Seminole Trail. It's 23 miles long, taking you from Aloma Avenue in Winter Park. It goes through Oviedo and Winter Spring to Lake Mary and Sanford, where it connects to the Seminole-Wekiva Trail. For more information, please feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Amanda Haynes. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.